Is there any opportunity for Indonesia Waqifaat serve in other countries? And what kind of service is it? Jazakallah.
You see, it all depends that what is your education. If you are a doctor, waqf no, or teacher waqf no, waqfat no, then you can be sent to other countries as a waqf no, teacher or doctor. But it all depends on your profession, on your education. If you are a simple graduate, then the Jamaat will ask you to serve in your own country, not outside. So, being a waqf no, you can offer yourself that now I am ready, I have completed my education, wherever markaz or center or Khalifa Waqt wants to send me, I will go. Then we shall decide that whether we should use your services within your country or outside your country. Okay? Yes, it is quite possible that you can be sent outside, provided we need that profession. Allah Hafiz wa Nasir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.